Artificial Intelligence. Introduction. Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, such as learning, problem solving, and decision making. AI has become a rapidly growing field over the past few decades, with potential applications in fields such as healthcare, finance, and transportation. Types of AI. There are two main types of AI: narrow or weak AI and general or strong AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform a specific task, such as image recognition or speech recognition. General AI, on the other hand, is designed to be able to perform any intellectual task that a human can. Applications of AI. AI has the potential to revolutionize many areas of technology. In healthcare, AI can be used for disease diagnosis, drug development, and personalized medicine. In finance, AI can be used for fraud detection, risk management, and algorithmic trading. In transportation, AI can be used for autonomous vehicles and traffic management. Risks and concerns. While AI has the potential for many benefits, there are also concerns about its safety and ethical implications. For example, there are concerns about job displacement as AI technology becomes more advanced. There are also concerns about the potential misuse of AI, such as the development of autonomous weapons. Regulation and governance. Given the potential risks associated with AI, it is important to have proper regulation and governance in place. Many countries have established regulatory frameworks for the use of AI, with a focus on ensuring its safety and minimizing its potential risks. Conclusion. AI has the potential to revolutionize many areas of technology, but it is important to proceed with caution to ensure its safety and minimize its potential risks. With proper regulation and governance, AI can be used to develop new and innovative technologies that benefit society while minimizing its negative impacts.